This is the most important part of matrix. We need to find the unknown matrix n. This is given and this is given. So I have taken A as this and B as this. So we know NA is equal to B. N into A is equal to B. So the order of matrix n is, I have to find it. Let it be X by Y. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2. So you have studied what will be order of this NA. Now we know that number of columns in the first matrix will be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So Y is equal to 2. So number of columns in the matrix n will be 2. Now NA will be what? If I cancel this, it is X by 2. And this is equal to B. Order of B is 1 by 2. 1 row and 2 columns. So what is the value of X? X is equal to 1. Therefore, order of matrix n will be X by Y, that is 1 row and 2 column. So matrix n we are going to write as A and B, 1 row 2 column. Now we have to find this matrix. So we will write here now A, B, one, 1, 0, 2 is equal to 1 and 2. So this is what? A11, first row, first column. So first row, first column. I take this one and this one. A into 1 plus B into 0. And what is A11? 1. So we get A is equal to 1. Got the value of A? Now I take this one. This is first row and second column. First row and second column. I take this one. A into 1 plus B into 2. What is A first row, second column? 2. A plus 2B is equal to 2. And we know A is equal to 1. Therefore, 2B is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1 by 2. So finally we have M matrix as 1 and 1 by 2. This is the answer. Here first matrix was unknown. In this question second matrix is unknown. So let A be this and B this one. And let the order of X be X by Y. X rows and Y column. So according to the rule, number of columns in A will be equal to number of columns in X. So X is equal to 2. Now what is order of AX? If I remove this and this is 2 by Y. And this is equal to B. Order of B is 2 rows, 1 column. So what is Y equal to? If I remove this, Y is equal to 1. Therefore, order of matrix X is 2 by 1. That is, matrix S has 2 rows and 1 column. Now let's start solving. Here 2, 1, minus 3, 4. And this is so what is A11? A11, first row, first column. So 2 into A plus 1 into B, and this is equal to 7. That is 2a plus b is equal to 7. Similarly, a21, this is second row and first column. Second row and first column. So second row and first column. Minus 3 into a plus 4 into b. And the second row first column is 6. So I have two equations. This is the second equation and this is the 2. I get 6a plus 3b is equal to 21. You know how to do this. And this I multiply with 2. Minus 6a plus 8b is 12. 11b is equal to 33. b is equal to 3. And then any one equation I will use here. There is no space here. 2a plus is equal to 7. 2a is 4. a is equal to 2. Therefore, matrix X is A and B. That is, the answer is equal to 2 and 3. This is the given VA is equal to I, and I is the unit matrix of order 2. First, I will find the order of matrix B. Let the order be X by Y, X rows and Y columns. So, we know that number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second. So Y will be equal to 2. And if I remove this, order of this will be X by 2. Number of rows same as B and number of columns same as A. Now it is given that this is an identity matrix. So what is X? X is equal to 2. Therefore, order of matrix B is 2 by 2. That is A, B, C and D. This I have to find. Now, to solve this, we'll go back to BA is equal to I. That is B, A, B, C and D. A 3 minus 4 minus 1 and 2. And this is 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now, what is the order of this? First row, first column. So first row and first column. I write here. A into 3. A into 3 plus B into minus 1. This is first row, first column, and this is equal to 1. So first equation I get 3a minus b is equal to 1. This is the first equation. Now, this is first row and second column. First row and second column. First row and second column. So a into minus 4, a into minus 4 plus b into 2 plus b into 2. And this is equal to 0. So second equation is minus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So I've got two equations in terms of a and b. I need to solve them to get a and b. But two more equations. Now I take up this one. Second row, first column. Second row and first column. Second row is C and D, and first column C into 3. C into 3 plus D into minus 1. And this is 0. 3C minus D is equal to 0. This is the third equation. And then I have second row and second column. This is second row and second column. Second row and second column. C into 0, C into -1 plus D into 2, and this is equal to 1. I have -4C plus 2D is equal to 1. This is the fourth equation. So by solving this and this, I get A and B, and by solving this and this, I get C and D. That I will do it now. So this is the final solution. Solve them simultaneously. You know that two equations, first and second, and get the value of A and B. Solve third and fourth, and get the value of C and D. And finally, the answer should be written this way. First, A square. Since 2 by 2, 2 by 2, answer will also be 2 by 2. 4 elements will be there. So, first row and first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. This is first row and second column. Second row and first column. Second row and second column. Now to simplify, I get 1, 0, 0, 1. It's an identity matrix, remember that. Next, I have to find A cube. I write here A square into A. Since it is an identity matrix, there is no problem. It is commutative. So, 1, 0, 0, 1. And A is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So, order is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Answer will also be 2 by 2. First row, first column, this by this. First row and second column. Second row and first column. And second row into second column. And I get here 1, 0, 0 and minus 1. And they have asked which is A cube is equal to A. And this is very important to show that this is the solution of this. So I will take X as 1, 2, 2 and 1. First I will find X squared. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. All are 2 by 2 matrix. So first row, first column, 1 into 1. Here, first row, second column. Second row, first column. And second row, second column. Five, 4, next we will find 2x. And then 3i. I is identity matrix. Scalar multiplication. 3 1s are 3 zeros are, and then find the equation. X square is this. Minus 2x and minus 3i. And I get null matrix. So proved. Therefore, x square is equal to. So this is question number 28, and a square is b. A square is a dot a. So this is first row, first column. This is 9. First row, first column. 3 into 3 plus x into 0. So this is equal to 9. So question is correct. Now 1 and 2. First row and second column is 16. First row and second column. 3 into x plus x into 1. This is 4x. We have 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4. Now we have a21. This is equal to 0. Second row and first column. This is also important to check whether question is, this is 0. No problem with these two. And finally, it is a, second row, second column. Second row, second column. Which is minus y. Second row and second column. 0 into x plus 1 into 1. And we have y is equal to, minus y is equal to 1. That is y is equal to minus 1. So ultimately we have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. And it's an ICSE question also. Normally matrix multiplication is not commutative. But when we multiply a matrix with identity matrix, then AI will be equal to IA. It becomes commutative. Like here, if I multiply, the order will be 2 by 2. First row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. This is what? First row and second column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. This is second row and first column, second row and first column. This is second row and second column. I get here 1, 0, 2 and 3. Same. So, what is AI? AI is equal to A. Here see. Same way here also I multiply. First row, first column, first row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2. This is first row and second column. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 3. This is second row and first column. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. This is second row and second column. This is 1, this is 0, this is 2 and this is 3. This is also A. So IA is equal to A. So remember, AI is equal to IA. BI is equal to IB. This is only possible when one of the matrices is identity matrix. Finally, I want to end up with the last question. So, transpose of A. You know what is transpose of A? Interchanging rows and columns. First row will become first column and second row will become second column. So, transpose of A is very important, remember. Transpose of A. It is represented either this way or this way. It's simply interchanging the assignment I have given this. Now when we multiply A into A transpose, we get 1, 0, 2, 3. And once again I am telling you, transpose means first row will become first column, or first column will become first row. Multiplication, you know, order will be same, 2 by 2. So first row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. First row and second column, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 3. Second row and first column, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. And second row and second column, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 4 plus 9, 13. This specific question I have done for to know what is transpose.